AAA Daily Advantage Visa Signature Card in 2025 Honest Review. Worth getting or not? Let's break it down. The AAA Daily Advantage Visa Signature Card offers cashback on everyday purchases and benefits tied to AAA membership, like travel and roadside perks that can save you money if you already rely on AAA services. It also comes with standard Visa signature perks like travel and purchase protections. However, rewards rates are not the highest compared to other cards, and you must be a AAA member to qualify, which adds an annual cost that can cut into your value. So is the AAA Daily Advantage Visa Signature Card worth it in 2025? If you're a frequent traveler and heavy AAA user, it can be worth light. Just wait the membership costs. Like and subscribe for more honest credit card reviews.